So we've seen that metamorphic has been derived from the Greek word meta means change and morphic means form, and metamorphic rocks are igneous and sedimentary rocks that have been transformed under extreme heat and pressure. And these igneous and sedimentary rocks, they do not melt due to extreme heat and pressure. Rather, they are chemically changed to metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks are more compact and dense, and they are the least common of all the three types of rocks. The examples are your marble, slate, quadzite and Genus are the examples of your metamorphic rocks. So now we are going, some of the different types of metamorphic rocks are. So we have the name of the metamorphic rock, its properties and its uses. So the first is your marble. So the first type of metamorphic rock is your marble, and it is formed from limestone. So the property of marble is it is formed from limestone. So what is it used? The marble is used for making statues, floors and building material. So the first type of metamorphic rock is your marble, and marble is formed from limestone and it is used for making statues, floors and building material. The next type of metamorphic rock is your slate, and the property of the slate, it is formed from shale. So shale is a type of sedimentary rock. So the slate is formed from shale. What are the uses of the slate? It is used in making roof tiles, as its layers can be split into separate flat sheets. So what are the uses of the slate? It is used in making roof tiles, as its layers can be split into separate flat sheets. The second use is it is used for making slates, blackboards for writing. So the second use of the slate is it is used for making slates and blackboards for writing. So talking about the types of metamorphic rocks. So the first is your marble, and we see that marble is formed from limestone and it is used for making statues, floors and your building materials. The next type of metamorphic rock is your slate. The slate is formed from shale. So shale is a type of sedimentary rock, and the uses, it is used for making roof tiles, as its layers can be split into separate flat sheets. And the second use of slate, it is used for making slates, blackboards for writing. So these are the properties and uses of the metamorphic rocks, that is your marble and your slate. Moving on to the next two metamorphic rocks. So the next type of metamorphic rock is your quadzite. The property of a quadzite is it has a crystalline texture. It consists of round quartz grains cemented by the crystalline quartz. It is very hard and weather resistant. So talking about the next type of metamorphic rock is your quadzite. The property of a quadzite is it has a crystalline texture and it consists of round quartz grains that are cemented by the crystalline quartz, and it is very hard and weather resistant. That is, whatever may be the weather, it is able to resist it. It has the capacity to resist whatever may be the weather, and it is commonly used in the glass and ceramic industries. So where is the quadzite used? So the quadzite is commonly used in the glass and ceramic industries. The next type of metamorphic rock is your genus. The property of a genus is it has alternating dark and light colored streaks or bands. So we call it as streaks. These are called as streaks. So genus has alternating dark and light. So one is dark, one is light, and then one dark and one light. So it has alternating dark and light colored streaks or bands. What is the genus used for? It is used as building stones and other structural purposes. So the use of the genus is it is used as building stones and other structural purposes. So talking about the next two important types of metamorphic rocks are your quadzite and your genus. So talking about the quadzite, we see the property, it has a crystalline texture and it consists of round quartz grains that are cemented by the crystalline quartz, and it is very hard and weather resistant. The uses are it is commonly used in the glass and your ceramic industries. The next type, that is your genus metamorphic rock, we see that it has alternating dark and light colored streaks or bands, and it is used as building stones and other structural purposes. So these are the important types of metamorphic rocks, the properties and for what it is being used. Moving on to the next topic in our chapter.